So, isolation corrals must be under competent caretakers. So, kinahanglan ng imuhang isolation area, napa na siya mga caretakers. The feed and water for the sick animals shall be deposited in 10 meters from the corral. So, kinahanglan na siya nga na siya a water and feed. So, Section 10, use of animal in quarantine areas. So, the use of work animals in a barrio infected with rinderpest, foot and mouth diseases, or etc. And Section 7, in the insurance of work process, especially in case of the rinderpest, pest and foot of mouth diseases, the following rules shall be observed. First, the passage shall be used only for work animals, absolutely necessary for cultivating the land or hauling of perishable essential articles for the security of animals. The work pass shall be shown for following data: the name and address of the workers, species and description of the animals to be used, including the document number, nature of work to be done in infected barrio. So, mana siya ang kinahanglan nimo nga ibutang sa imong paper. Section 12, the notification of official in the neighboring province, where whenever any dangerous communicable animal diseases like rinderpest and foot and mouth diseases, endemic form of anthrax and hemorrhagic septicemia. So, mana siya ang unod sa ato section 12. And then Section 13 is the quarantine of highways. In the case of infectious diseases like reinsertion and foot and mouth diseases in various burdening the publication highways which cannot be closed to traffic without associating great inconvenience to the traveling public. And then Section 14, weekly reports. The municipality mayor shall keep complete record of all the carcass of all the cases of disease, deaths among domestic animals within its jurisdiction. So, ang mayor kinahanglan na siya og mga weekly reports. So, ang kanang mga veterinarian o kanang mga facilitator or caretakers ana siya nga mga isolated animals, kinahanglan na siya nga makuha sila og record in every day or kana unabay ng development sa ilahang mga isolated animals. The following data shall be given. Kung magkuha ka og weekly report, mo na may ibutang names of various where cases or death occurred, number of cases, dates, death in each barrio, mo na magkuan, and so on, condition of the animals, and many others. Section 15, imposition of carcasses. Owners and caretakers of animals found dead of any of the dangerous communicable animal diseases or undiagnosed or unknown disease shall report to some of the proper authorities who shall cause the carcass to be burned in third property. So, kung naay mga animals nga napatay na siya pero wala siya nahibalaan kung saan nga sakit or undiagnosed or unknown diseases, kinahanglan ipahibalo dayon sa duol nga munisipalidad or sa duol nga caretakers o sa duol nga veterinarian office para mahibalo nila para ang carcass or ang dead body sa animals masunog siya dayon aron dili na siya maka-infect o kuan sa uban nga mga animals. Section 16, use of skin, horns, and other parts of decayed animals prohibited. If shall be unlawful for any person to open or cut carcasses, remove the skin, horns, and other parts of the body. So, dili mo sa ato asa if ever na ay mamatay nga carabaos, wala siya nakuan nga sakit. Ang uban is kuhaon nila ang mga unod, ilaha pa kaunon, which is unlawful na siya. Kay in that case, in that situation, pwede po nga mo-spread ang diseases kay either naa siya sa tibuok nga lawas sa animals, may naa na siya disease. Dayon, imuha pa kuhaon, imong kaunon, so ma-transfer ang disease into tawo. Or other, ila pang kuhaon ng horns, kay ilang gamiton, and then, usapod na siya kadlukan because ang disease dili na siya mapatay kundi mo kuan ra gihapon na siya mo spread gyapon na siya because wala man nasunog ang dead body of the animals inyo man gipangkuha. So that is unlawful. Section 17, unlawful traffics. It shall be unlawful for any person to use or allowed to be used for human consumption any animals or parts thereof which have died or dangerous communicable diseases. So just like what I have said no nga, pag dili man sa ato just like sa amo ang baryo, pag naay mga animals nga mamatay dayon, for example vaccine kay edad na siya og 2 months, so pwede na siya makaon. Pag mapatay siya nga wala na balaan unsa yang sakit, pag mayon lang tingang mapusulan pa ni pwede pa ni ilang kaunon, and then wala sila kabalo nga may disease to, so ma-intake masulod sa ilang body ang disease nga and that is unlawful na siya. That is section 17. Next is the section 18, termination of quarantine. The quarantine of the barrio shall be terminated 30 days after the discovery of the last case. So pag ang kana siya nga ning barangay, kung naa siya yung nga disease, unknown disease din nga matay ko, kinahanglan siya i-quarantine in order for para dili makagawas ang uban nga animals, makaadto sa uban nga baryo, makakuha na po dito, makaspread na po dito and other diseases. No? Section 19, marauding or branding of animals found affected with glanders, tuberculosis, contagious absorption, or brucellosis. The owner of the caretaker or any animal found reactor or two affected with glanders, tuberculosis, and contagious abortion. So nahapon na siya sa rules and regulation. And Section 20, the interprovincial movement of large and small animals whenever a city, municipality, municipal district, province, or islands is declared under quarantine by the Secretary of Agriculture and Natural Resources. So ipang-quarantine ko dahil na sila ng mga large and small animals. No person shall transport or ship from one province to another any horse. So kung ikaw nga tao ka, naisakit imong animals, dili siya pwede nga imo siya i-transfer into another province kay basi og magkasakit na po dito, mahawaan na po dito nga province, magkasakit na po ilaha mga animals. So kinahanglan imo na siya i-report sa municipality para ma-isolate na siya dayon ma-quarantine. Section 21, disposition of reactors, procedure of control regarding dangerous communicable animal diseases, infectious, transmittable to human beings. So, kung ang naay mga sakit sa animals, pwede po dahil siya maka-transfer into humans, persons who maintain dairy animals like cows, carabao, buffalo, and goats, and milk of which is sold to be public. Those who maintain commercial or semi-commercial piggery, and those maintaining delivery of horses for rings or racetrack shall submit their animal of tuberculosis. So, that is section number 21. Section number 22 for positive cases or glanders. All horses used as is found positive by malign test using intrapalpebral or ocular methods should be condemned and destroyed within 48 hours after animal has been declared reaction by a veterinarian. Kung imuhang horse or imuhang mga animals nga confirm na siya into positive na siya nga sakit, kinahanglan siya nga kuha na siya in 48 hours, kinahanglan nga pati na siya sumugo na siya ana siya dito para dili na siya makahawa pa og uban nga mga animals. Section 23, in case of reaction of brucellosis in cattle, the director of animal industry of his representative may allow the slaughter of positive animals in the slaughterhouse wherein the regular meat inspection system is maintained. So manakong gina yun sa kung may ang kanang mga slaughtered house dira, if ever mo dapat sila og bagong animals, kinahanglan gina nga naay inspector anak nga mga animals to check kung may sakit ba ni or wala. Kay una na sila sa safety sa mga consumer kay if ever may sakit ang hayop na nila ipakaon sa mga tawo, posible nga magkasakit pud ang mga tawo kay na-consume naman nila ang disease nga naa sa atong animals. Next is the section number 24. In case of brucellosis reactors in swine. All hogs found positive for swine brucellosis should be slaughtered within 5 days after the report has been received by the owner. So, positive na ang swine mo sa brucellosis nga sakit, kinahanglan na siya ihawon into 5 days. Section number 25, in case of tuberculosis infected farm, all animals found positive in tuberculin test using either the intradermal or subcutaneous methods should be branded within the letters TB and should be sent to the slaughterhouse within the 5 days. So, kung maka-tuberculosis na po ng imong animals, nakanglan na po na siya slaughtered in 5 days. Section 26, injection of animals with vaccine serum, virulent blood, and other biological products are in Rinderpest food. Amo na siya ang mga section 6 nga inahanas sa enjikan ang mga animals nga naay mga sakit, just like example for Rinderpest foot and mouth diseases. Next is the section 27, the prosecution and penalties. Any person who shall contravene or violate any of two provisions of the administrative order. So there is a section 27, kung makalapas na daika, it shall be offensed or punished by the fine or of not more than 100 pesos or the imprisonment more than 30 days or both such fine of imprisonment in discretion of the court. So kung nakalapas ka ani nga mga regulations, rules and regulation, pwede ka nga mapriso og 30 kaadlaw sa kabulan o makamulta og 100 pesos. In section 28, repealing provisions and effectively repealing provision, all orders, rules and regulation inconsistent with the provision of this order are hereby repealed. So mao na siya ang mga administrative order sa ato ang mga animals, mga rules and regulation to be implemented sa ato ang mga animals because we treat our animals like a human. Palanggaon po nato sila kay they are part na siya sa ato ang ecosystem. That's all. Thank you.